What is gender and society? Gender and society refers to the way gender influences social structure, interactions, and institutions. It examines how societies construct gender roles, expectations, and identities, and how this shape individuals' experience and opportunities. Theories on the social construction of gender. The social construction of a gender refers to the idea that gender is not solely based on biological differences but is shaped by cultural, social, and historical factors. Judith Butler's gender performativity argues that gender is performed through repeated behaviors, norms, and expectations. Social learning theory suggests that the gender roles are learned through observation, limitation, and reinforcement by society. Intersectionality. Kimberly Crenshaw highlights how gender interacts with race, class, and other identities influencing experience of oppression or privilege.
How culture, society, and history shape gender roles. 1. Gender roles evolve based historical events, cultural traditions, and societal norms. For example, history. In many ancient Socrates, women were expected to focus on domestic roles while men engaged in politics and warfare. Over time, feminist movements have challenged these norms. Culture. Different cultures define masculinity and femininity in unique ways. Some cultures recognize non-binary or third gender identities. Society. Media, education, religion, and laws shape expectations about how men and women should behave. The spectrum of gender identities. Gender is not binary but exists on a spectrum, like cisgender, gender fluid, and agender. Transgender identifies with a gender different from the one assigned at birth. Non-binary rejects strict male or female categories and may identify as both, neither, or somewhere in between. Two-spirit, a gender identity recognized in some indigenous cultures encompassing a mix of masculine and feminine traits. Thank you very much.